The function f of x equals this. It's defined in this domain. Find the value of a. F of x is a square root function. The domain will be the radicand greater than or equal to 0, x plus a greater than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to negative a. Look at the given domain. It's in interval notation, which means x greater than or equal to 1 over 2. We will set up negative a equals 1/2. Divided by negative 1 both sides. A equals negative 1/2. Let's go to B. There is another function g of x equals f of x minus 7. Find the range of g of x. Do the substitution. F of x equals negative square root x minus 1/2 plus 6. Then minus 7. Combine like terms. We got g of x equals negative square root x minus 1/2 minus 1. Now, we will put this into calculator to figure out the range. We type the function in f1 of x. Then we got this graph. Let's check this vertex. Go to menu. Go to 5. Enter. Type in 1 divided by 2. Enter. This is our vertex. Y value is negative 1. From this graph, we could see range of g of x will be y less than or equal to negative 1. By graphing y less than or equal to negative 1. Let's go to C. Find the domain of h of x. H of x is a rational function. The domain of rational function, we will make denominator not equal to 0. 3x plus 8 not equal to 0, or x squared minus x minus 6 is not equal to 0. Solving this linear equation, x is not equal to negative 8 over 3. We will use Pauli roots to figure out the roots of this quadratic function. Type x squared minus x minus 6 in this scratch pad. Control menu. Enter, enter, enter. We got the roots of this quadratic function, negative 2, 3. X is not equal to negative 2. X is not equal to 3. Then we combine this together. The domain of h of x is x is not equal to negative 8 over 3, negative 2, and 3. Hence, find out the range of inverse of h of x. We do know range of inverse of h of x is the same as the domain of h of x. So we can get the answer directly. Range of inverse of h of x is x is not equal to negative 8 over 3, negative 2, 3. Let's go to next question. A function is defined by f of x. This is a square root function. For square root function, you know the domain, we will make a radicand greater than or equal to 0. For rational function, we will make a denominator not equal to 0. A. Determine the range of f. We will sketch the graph in calculator to work out the range of f of x. Before we get started, we need to figure out the vertex of these radical functions. The vertex of this square root function, we will make a radicand equal to 0, x equals 2. So the vertex will be 2f of 2. Let's go to calculator. We put the function into f1 of x and got this graph. Then we go to menu, go to 5, trace, graph trace, enter. Type in 2, enter. We got this vertex 2, 3. From this graph, we could say the range of this function will be y less than or equal to 3. Let's go to B. Find the value of f of 0 and inverse of f of 0. F of 0, let's do the substitution. Substitute 0 for x. We got negative square root 2 minus 0 plus 3 equals 3 minus square root 2. Or you can go to calculator, menu, go to 5, enter, then type in 0, enter. We got 1.59 as the 3 figures. For inverse of f of 0, let's make this one equals a. Then we take f function both sides. F and inverse of f of x cancel. We got x. So we got 0 equals f of a. F of x equals this. F of a, we will change every single x into a. We got 0 equals negative square root 2 minus a plus 3. Let's go to equation solver. We type this equation into calculator, control menu, enter, enter, enter. We got a equals negative 7. Let's go to C. Write down the range of inverse function. We know range of inverse function equals the domain of f of x. For this square root function, the domain will be 2 minus x greater than or equal to 0. Add x both sides. We got x less than or equal to 2. So range of inverse of f of x is x less than or equal to 2. Let's go to D. Solve inverse of f of x equals 0. Let's take f function both sides. Cancel, got x equals f of 0. We already got f of 0 from question B, which is 1.59.